Hello, my name is Jack and I'm from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Audi. So the vehicle featured today is this brand new Audi RS6 Avant Performance. This particular model is finished in the optional Mythos Black Metallic paintwork, which is really give it that menacing look. It does contrast nicely against those satin titanium elements. Moving on now, looking at the performance stats, the RS6 Performance does feature a 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8, which produces 630 brake horsepower, as well as having 850 Nm of torque, taking you from 0 to 62 in 3.4 seconds. Moving on now to the exterior key features of the vehicle, we do find these fantastic LED matrix laser headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels, we find these exceptional RS-specific 22-inch 5 V-spoke trapezoid alloys, finished in the gloss black and satin titanium. To the rear of the RS6 now, we do find this fantastic rear diffuser, finished in that satin titanium once again, and it does house the 2 RS exhaust tips, a part of the sports exhaust. Moving into the rear boot space now of the RS6 Avant, where we do find up to 565 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a performance vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 3 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a part leather interior with that lovely honeycomb pattern in the centre with the additional white stitching to complement. There's also a leather centre armrest, which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, as well as the ISOFIX points, which are neatly located across the back row, and the rear passengers are also treated to a digital dual zone climate control. Moving into the front now, we do find a large amount of plush material such as leather, alcantara, carbon fibre, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the RS model, it does mean that you do get these fantastic RS Super Sport seats, which are full leather, do have that lovely stitching, as well as the RS logos. Above now, we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the RS rev counter. Then by pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can also change the view of the overall layout. To the centre of the dashboard now, we do find this very impressive, seamlessly integrated MMI touchscreen display, which is also featured the satellite navigation, as well as having access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below this, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is touch sensitive, and you do find the heated and ventilated seats either side for both front occupants. Moving to that screen above once again, we do find the optional 360 surround view, which has made this RS6 much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. This vehicle does come with a 3 years manufacturer's warranty and a 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, do contact us now on 01785 899 417 or inquire online.